Cerma STM-3 registered for manual transmissions and drivetrains is a game-changing technology that will restore your transmission's fast and smooth shifting while providing unparalleled protection. Our SICK technology forms a micro-ceramic protective coating on all metal parts in your transmission or differential. This ensures the prevention of performance-degrading sludge and varnish from forming, providing unmatched protection. Cerma STM-3 for manual transmission and drivetrains has several benefits, including restoring performance, fixing transmission issues, stopping slippage, hesitation and rough shifting in worn transmissions, eliminating most seal leaks, and lowering operating temperatures in hard-working units. It is suitable for all types of vehicles, including diesel trucks, motorhomes, and commercial vehicles, making it ideal for preventative maintenance. This powerful transmission treatment extends fluid life by up to 4 times, provides needed protection to planetary gears, and is environmentally safe, containing no solvents or PTFEs. However, it should not be used in engines or automatic transmissions. Check out our engine and automatic transmission treatments in the products section for the best results. Experience a smoother and more efficient drive with Cerma STM-3 registered for manual transmissions and drivetrains.